Today's drive is along Interstate 80 in California. We start today's drive at the top of Donner Summit just before sunrise and head west to the town of Woodland, California. Our journey down the mountain on the day of filming was preceded by a big snowstorm over the weekend, which is dissipating as we make our journey westward down the mountains. Interstate 80, crossing the Sierra Nevada mountains, closely follows the California Trail. The California Trail was used from the 1840s to the 1860s and carried over 250,000 immigrants across the continent as white settlers colonized western North America during the Manifest Destiny era. The wagon trail route used by settlers was eventually replaced by the Transcontinental Railroad, completed in 1869. The Transcontinental Railroad reduced what was at one point a 6-month journey by wagon to just 7 days by train. During the height of the automobile era, this route became part of the Lincoln Highway, the first fully paved coast-to-coast highway, completed in 1935. The section through the Sierra Nevadas eventually became part of U.S. Highway 40. 40 was then eventually replaced with Interstate 80 in the 1960s. We start today's journey atop Donner Pass just before sunrise. Due to the snowstorm, the roads were fairly slick at first, which made for slow travel, but that was made up for by some absolutely gorgeous snow-flocked trees today as we headed down the mountain. And once we got to the bottom of the hill, it was a gorgeous spring day. Among the towns we'll pass through today are Colfax, Auburn, Roseville, Sacramento, and we end our footage today near Woodland. In case you're not familiar with this region, you'll notice that we drop significantly in elevation, from over 7,200 feet, almost down to sea level. The scenery changes quite dramatically from beginning to end. It's hard to believe how drastically different it looks after just a little over 100 miles of driving. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please tap that thumbs up button and that bell icon. We enjoy making content for you, our viewer, and we appreciate hearing from you down in the comments what you think. So let us know what journey you would like to take next. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Whether this is somewhere you've never been or you make this drive often, we're so glad you took the time to join us today. Let us know what you thought of the scenery as we descended the mountains, and let us know if you were surprised at how different it looked by the end of the day. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe and click that bell icon and share the video with a friend. We would love to get to 10 million subscribers by the end of this week, and every little bit helps. Thanks again so much for watching. Take care and be safe out on the roads, and we will see you all on your next trip.